In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lists in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, making sure you understand how to make the most out of this powerful feature. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to integrate existing data, using lists in Teams can streamline your workflow and keep your team organized. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Teams. Once you've accessed the Teams application, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you're already logged in, that's great. You'll find yourself in the main Teams dashboard. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the specific team and channel where you want to use lists. Channels are usually where your team's discussions and files are organized, so head to the one that's most relevant for your list. At the top of the Channels window, you'll see a plus sign labeled Add a Tab. Click on this button to open a menu that allows you to add new features to your channel. In the menu, search for and select the Lists app. This is a built-in tool in Microsoft Teams, designed to help you create and manage lists effectively. Once you've selected Lists, click Save to add it as a tab in your channel. This step secures easy access for you and your team. Now that you have the Lists tab in your channel, you have two main options. You can either create a new list or add an existing one. If you're starting fresh, you'll want to create a new list. You have several paths for creating lists. You can choose a template from a gallery that Microsoft provides. These templates cater to common tasks like issue tracking, asset management, or event planning, each designed to save you time by doing most of the setup work. Alternatively, if you want something more customized, you can create a blank list, allowing you the freedom to define your own parameters. Simply give it a name, description, color, and icon to make it easily recognizable. If data transfer is on your mind, you might want to import a list from Excel. This is handy if you've already got structured data elsewhere and want to continue working with it in Teams. Lastly, if you've previously set up a list format within Teams, you can reuse its structure for a new list. This method is perfect for maintaining consistency and efficiency across similar projects. Once your list is ready, you can add new items by opening the list and clicking the plus new button on the command bar. Fill out the subsequent form with all necessary details. You also have the option to attach files directly to an item, which can be beneficial for adding context or supplementary information. Editing is straightforward too. Click Edit in Grid View to make changes easily, leveraging a format quite similar to an Excel spreadsheet. This allows for quick adjustments across multiple items, providing you with a seamless editing experience. Moreover, you can adapt how your list displays information. Filter, sort, or group data by particular columns, creating customized views that can be saved and shared with your team. Tailoring the information presentation this way ensures everyone interacts efficiently with the data. Lastly, you can further refine your lists by adding, deleting, or renaming columns and adjusting their data types to meet your structural needs. This degree of customization empowers your team to manage information precisely and effectively. That's it. You've successfully navigated creating and managing lists in Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.